Lesson 7.5, Evaluate Algebraic Expressions and Formulas. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how we can evaluate or solve an algebraic expression or formula. Let's go ahead and get started. In the example problem I have today, we have the following. Mitchell is saving money to buy an MP3 player that costs $120. He starts with $25, and each week he saves $9. The expression 25 plus 9W gives the amount in dollars that Mitchell will have saved after W weeks. So in this case, I can see that they've already written the algebraic expression, which is here, 25 plus 9W. If I continue to look at the problem, we want to find out how much will Mitchell have saved after 8 weeks. And so to evaluate the expression, we're going to substitute the W with the number 8. So the first step I need to do is go ahead and write my equation or expression and then fill in the missing piece. So 25 plus 9 multiplied by 8. And then using the order of operations, I'm going to go ahead and solve. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Multiplying first, 9 times 8 is 72. And then I rewrite my equation. 25 plus 72 equals 97. And so my answer would be $97. Let's take a look at another example. I need to evaluate the expression for the given value of the variable. In this case, I'm looking at m equaling 14. And so the first step I'm going to do is go ahead and rewrite my equation, filling in for m. Then I need to follow the rules of operations. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses is first. So 14 minus 8 equals 6. And then I rewrite my equation. I have no exponents. Then I get to multiplying and dividing. Multiplying. 4 times 6 equals 24 divided by 3 equals 8. And so my final answer would be 8. Let's look at one more. In this particular expression, I'm looking at my variable, which is y, and I'm going to substitute 4 for the letter y. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my equation, and wherever I have y, I'm going to place a 4. Alright. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. First, I want to solve what's in the parentheses, but if I look closely in the parentheses, I see that I have an exponent. And so in order for me to do this, I'm going to go ahead and solve my exponent first, which is 4 times 4 equals 16 plus 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve what's in the parentheses. In this case, it's 18. 3 times 18 is 54. And so my final answer is 54. We don't have any notes that we're going to be copying down in today's lesson, but we do have an essential, a test prep question. And so what I want you to do is go ahead and copy the following problem down, highlighting the key words. And what I want you to do is set up your expression and then solving. Once you have that completed, you're going to go ahead and hit play. All right, finally, our essential question. How do you evaluate or solve an algebraic expression or a formula? This should be a 1 to 2 sentence summary explaining the steps on how you would do this. I look forward to discussing this with you in class.